get started with Mirroring 360, first go to mirroring360.com and then go to Downloads. I know that this is the paid version because my school has purchased it, but I will still download the free trial version, and I'll just put in a key once it's finished. The download begins automatically, and once the circle's complete, I can click on it to start my install. Click Yes, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once the install finishes, click Finish, and Mirroring 360 should start. Now click Next, accept the license agreement, and then enter in the key that your administrator has provided. Click Activate, and Mirroring 360 will start on your computer. Mirroring 360 automatically sets itself to begin every time you start up your computer. To begin mirroring, simply drag up from the bottom of your screen, click Screen Mirroring, find your Apple TV, and you're ready to mirror your device to your computer. And that's how we set up Mirroring 360 on your PC.